Oh, they're going to fucking... Havertz is going to score the fucking goal as well. I can't be arsed. I can't be fucking bothered, man. That's got to be the most fucking heartbreaking way to end that. Why couldn't he just blow the whistle sooner? Fuck me.
Fucking useless. Fucking useless. Fucking useless. Kai Havertz. Kai Havertz.
Yeah, of course. Oh, mate, I hate Arsenal so much. They just haven't deserved that. They have been awful all game, bro. This is ridiculous, bruv. It's unreal. Of course Havertz scores. Absolute waster, mate. They have not deserved that all game. We've been the best team on the pitch. Like, we just have been. Oh, bro. Well, now it's game over. Now it's game over.
Hey! Why not Kai? Why not Kai?
Had to be Kai, innit?
Why not? Look.
He's pointing at. Oh, this hurts.
Look.
You're finished. This hurts.
Come on!
Man said when the fun
Come on!
starts. Kai had to be Kai.
Declan Rice assist. Kai Havertz goal.
People had to